This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your WordPress core and theme are updated and PHP meets the host requirements. This prevents conflicts. Next, create or sign into a CDN provider account and select a plan that matches your traffic. Once done, copy the CDN endpoint URL and any required API key. These connect your site to the CDN. Finally, enable a backup and note your current cache settings so you can compare performance after activation. Now connect the CDN to WordPress through a plugin. Pick one that matches your workflow, WP Rocket for simplicity or W3 Total Cache for granular control. Install and activate it, then paste the CDN endpoint URL and API key into the plugin CDN section. Next, choose which assets to serve via CDN, images, CSS, JS, fonts. Make sure to exclude the admin area and sensitive cookies. After saving, purge caches inside the plugin and from your host. Finish by verifying delivery. Open your site and inspect the Network tab to confirm assets load from the CDN domain. Then optimize. Enable gzip or Brotli compression, set appropriate cache TTLs, and ensure correct cache control headers so repeat visitors benefit. If you see broken images or mixed content, purge both CDN and WordPress caches, check rewrite or CDN pull zone settings, and resave permalinks. If problems persist, temporarily disable the CDN plugin to isolate the issue and review error logs for clues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.